This is a 92 Nissan Stanza. Let's see what we did so far. It had an exhaust leak. We're about to take the exhaust pipe off. Exhaust pipe right here. I'm about to take this off, put the gaskets behind it. We had to drill some holes out of here, drill the studs out rather, and put some new bolts in it. But anyway, we finna get it right done real good here. Gotta take this radiator back up. We might have to, no, we don't. Two more mechanics finna get busy here. In a minute, we got it running. About to go to work on it.
What I'm doing is I'm loosening the manifold right now.
Okay, we're gonna get all the bolts out. We're gonna try to pull it off now. Hopefully.
One over here. We can do right here. Okay.
Gotta get one more thing. Use this stitcher for it. Okay, now you're gonna try it. Here, I brought that right here.
This one really wasn't that bad, but why change one when you can just change both? You're already right here. Back here. It's simple, just install it.
Yep, pretty simple.
1, 2, 3.
But it wasn't that simple. Yesterday we had to drill out a bolt somebody broke out over here. If you can see right there, we kind of drilled it out. It's kind of toe up at the top, but we did get it. Still got some threads in there, just the outside kind of messed up. But we got it in there, so it's kind of tight. We had to move this yesterday, take the radiator out and just get the drill down in there. But we got it. So that's all good. Here you go. Now you see it's going back together already, right there. Plain view. So, when she crank up this time, she should be, what, purring like a kitten. You know, we're going to get that started right there. Well, I ain't have to, you had to take that side off. I ain't have to do that last time. Just move that one back. Just take that one off. You know, to get it. And then get it started. Because that pipe will work. I need to come closer. Yeah, well, this button. Again,
all right.
Is that going in?
Yeah. Now we got. Now we got mechanic Keisha going at it, as you see.
Nope.
Yeah. You got some youth wear gloves. She's going hard today.
No, I got some gloves. I just ain't got them on. Go hard in the paint. What I do? What I do? You know what I did. I went hard in the paint. We'll have it back together in a few minutes.
So you got to, it's really that easy.
Yeah.
If you know what you're doing.
Exactly. If it wasn't that easy, we sure made it look like it. I can get this one in. I'll need it. That one, yeah. I'm scared. How tight the tree is? Because, you know, who did that?
See the new book? You got it? You don't want to have to pull
No,
that
I
out.
just might have to. Now, we
Try
about
it.
to go crank it up. See how it's gonna do. We got everything in there.